the day. We're here at Ostrich Land, and it's time to feed this bad boy.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We like to say, come visit us here at Ostrich Land, USA. We'd love to see you. We're located here in Solvang, California. Come on by and see us. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna feed some ostrich and some emus. Of course, you know.
Look how excited kids.
Of course, you know who's excited right there. And here's somebody who's definitely is not excited about going. This one right here.
I don't know why we have to come and play with these little animals. We should be in Solvang.
See what I'm telling you? She's not an animal lover. So we're torturing her this morning. So we're gonna go in and check out Ostrich Land. There's the mission. Steve, you might be able to get in for 5 for military.
Hello, you're not my friend?
David. What'd you say?
I said hello.
That's pretty cool.
David.
Yeah.
I need that orange.
Oh, that orange shirt is cool.
That is you.
That orange shirt is totally cool.
That is so you.
That's hilarious.
Oh, all kinds of ostrich products. It's going good. We have 2. And oh, I didn't even see you there. Look, there's a little kitty. So hey, Karen, don't come over here.
Yeah.
She's not real animal friendly, and that would have scared her to death. So here we go. Pass it on to you. Wanna get some video of Kim feeding the ostriches as well.
Yeah, can we get ready to get my bowl?
So this is like the feed. It looks almost like just little pellets that you normally see for all kinds of stuff. I'm sure it's a special ostrich blend. So, all right. Here's the animal lady going into action.
Which one's always the big booger? I think it's you. You steal all the food.
You gotta hold it with both hands. You
No,
see?
but I'm waiting on somebody to come.
They following Glenn. Here, shake your thing. Here he comes. Hold on. Here he's coming in.
You can't have the whole bowl. Gracious. Look at him running next to the car.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
They're coming in.
Oh yeah. Like I'm exercising out there.
So that's our morning fun.
Somebody get a picture?
Look at that out there. We don't know what that's all about, but that's pretty cool.
Okay, okay.
All right, it's time to get my little feed bowl out here.
I'm gonna try it. Chicken lovers gonna go for it.
Let me get a picture.
Give me the other guy.
They are pretty aggressive. They said they were.
Okay.
So here you go. You got the lady who doesn't like to feed animals and who's scared. You see she's all gloved up like she's getting ready to do surgery. And
Their heads come out too far.
You gotta go in further, Karen.
Hi, guys.
Come on,
You want me to go up do it? Huh? They not coming at. They can't go but just
They
so
can't.
far. They said don't make them reach it.
Success. She's got success.
You good?
She survived. She deserved breakfast now. Okay. These guys are munching away. Alright, so we're gonna go over here and feed some on the platform. Glenn's going down and he's gonna feed the big guy down the way. He is tall. Man, look at his head. He's a big guy. You see standing next to Glenn and you seen his head up. He's a big fella. Look at there. Wow.
Want me to put it up there?
See, they even have signs up to let you know, yes, we like to bite.
Oh, here you come again. You're the same one. Isn't it time? Do you run everybody away too?
He's like, okay, talk to me that way. I'm leaving.
Oh, go get food from somebody
He
else.
said, I'll go get food from some other people. So. So here's this guy slowly working up, and then the other guy's coming too. I'll let her feed that one, and I'll feed this one.
No, no.
Here.
Oh, look at him running.
So he likes your
Well,
bowl better.
You like my bowl? You just want that bowl because this one's in it.
This is pretty cool. Alright, we're here with Jake at Ostrich Land. He's going to give us a little information about Ostrich Land.
So Ostrich Land's been around for about 40 years. Before it was pretty much just going to be a strawberry stand until the original owner moved here from South Africa.
Okay.
And he had bought the property and brought ostrich eggs with him. And this was originally kind of be a place for the meat, as opposed for like a tourist attraction.
Okay.
But that kind of flopped on him, and he sold the property and was selling the birds with the property. So the new owner bought it and has made it a sanctuary for the birds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and yeah, now they just live here. They live the rest of their lives out here. And
So you guys try to develop all the eggs that
we do at least like one. We put one batch in the incubator a year,
Okay.
just so we don't overpopulate. But yeah, we do try and get a couple new ones a year.
Okay, so do you guys sell the other eggs for like people that want to have ostrich eggs?
Yeah, we sell the fresh eggs for cooking. We
Yeah.
sell emu and ostrich eggs.
Okay, awesome. Cool. Thank you. Appreciate
No
it. All
problem. Nice meeting you.
right, have a good one.
You too.
Okay, so these eggs right here are fresh eggs that they sell to eat. That's pretty cool.
So
You can make a big old
the
omelet.
black one I take is the emu egg.
Yes.
That's the first time I've seen. I know it.
Yeah, they're pretty different looking. Did you want to feel one?
No, my parents actually have one
Oh.
that my grandma brought back from Africa.
Some
So
eggs
I
and
always
sausage.
felt
Sounds
that.
good.
But, I mean, we never ate.
So, how heavy does that feel?
It's very heavy.
really can?
I would have never thought it was this heavy. You're not getting the egg in there, babe. There you go.
There's the egg.
Wow. Never.
Let me see that.
Hold it over here. Don't drop it.
It's neat.
Oh,
You guys
that's pretty heavy.
Isn't that neat?
We
Wow.
tend not to hatch very many because these ostriches live a long time, so we don't really need to. So we just sell a lot of them. But we are incubating emu eggs right now in that room.
We asked her about, because they sell the eggs in there. The ostrich eggs taste sort of like chicken eggs, but a little more gamey. And we were once told that you can get an omelet for 12 out of one ostrich egg. She said they sell quite a few, and the emo eggs are creamier, and a lot of people use them for baking. So you bakers better come get you some emu eggs. Didn't you learn a lot?
I enjoyed myself, but I was very intimidated when I tried to feed the emus, and all of them were sticking their head out the gate. So you may see that on video. Don't laugh until you tried it. Stay tuned for our next adventure.
And we'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We ask for you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That means push that subscribe button. It's going to be free. And I think you'll have a great time following along with us. So, thank you for watching Noah's Blessed Adventures, and have a blessed day. Goodbye.